Hey YouTube, this your boy Rock. I got a 2004 Mustang and I'm about to install a headlight switch knob inside. And it's pretty simple. This is how it's gonna do. First of all, you have two screws right here at the top. You got one here and one here. They're torque head. Once you take those out and tilt your steering wheel down, you'll be able to pull your bezel off. And then you have two 9/32 screws that's holding your headlight switch in. That'll be this one, that'll be that one. Loosen those out and you pull these out just like this. I already had took mine loose, so once you get that out, then the whole switch will come out. This is your whole switch. Hear that noise? On, off switch. And the procedure will be the same if you would want to change the whole switch out, but me, I'm just gonna change this here, and I'm gonna change the knob out. I have a bad knob, and it broken off. As you see, it's broken off right here, so I'm gonna replace this here. But taking out the switch will be the very same procedure. Up under here, you have a little, in order to get this out, because if you just pull this, it won't come out. So in order to get this out, there's a little button right up under here, that's right here, that you must press, and at the same time pull this here out to get it out. Let's see, can I get it out with one hand? I'm gonna set the camera down for a minute. Here we go. See, once you get it out, press the button on the bottom, right there, and then you pull it straight out. That's what it looks like. Now, I got a new one from Dorman. This here, part number 76871. And all you have to do is, if you look on the inside of this switch, it kind of has a shape of a triangle. You might not be able to see it. It has a shape of a triangle on the inside. And all you do is you have the shape of a triangle on your knob. See here, the side view? See, it's in the shape of a triangle. And all you have to do is just get it and kind of line it up. Put it in the hole. And just push it straight in. That's all you have to do. Just put it straight in. That's all you have to do. But in order for it to lock, you must press in this button in the same way as taking it out. You must press that button in and then pull it out. I was just showing you how it go in there, but you want to remount this before you put this knob back on. Otherwise, you won't be able to put it back over your bezel. Boom, and there you go. All you have to do is just put your bezel, mount your headlight dash, mount your headlight switch back in, and once you put it in, you put your bezel back on first, because if not, you won't be able to put your knob on. and this here and your knob will be on the inside. You won't be able to put your knob on. And once you put your 2 screws back in and get it good and tight, all you have to do is get your new knob, stick it in the hole, and just push all the way in. If you can pull this out and you don't hear your lights come on, then you don't have it all the way in there. Just keep pushing hard until it hits a final click. And then, there you go. So that's the headlight knob switch. And to put the headlight switch in, it's the same procedure. And that's it. You have any comments, leave it in the description below.